Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Gemini gate motor. First, ensure your motor is securely mounted on a level concrete base. Next, connect the main power supply, making sure it's properly grounded for safety. Then, carefully install the rack and pinion gear, leaving a small 2mm gap between the gear and the motor's drive pinion. This ensures smooth operation and prevents unnecessary wear. Now, let's move to wiring. Connect the motor's control board to your power source, following the diagram in your manual. Install the magnetic limit switches at the desired open and closed positions for your gate's travel. Adjust them precisely to define the gate's full range of motion. Finally, wire any additional accessories, such as safety beams or intercom systems, to the designated terminals on the control board. With wiring complete, it's time to program your motor. Access the control panel, usually by pressing a specific button. Follow the on-screen prompts or manual instructions to set the gate's open and close travel limits. This teaches the motor its operational boundaries. Then, program your remote controls by following the pairing sequence, allowing you to conveniently operate your gate with a simple press. Finally, thoroughly test your Gemini gate motor. Run the gate through several full open and close cycles to ensure smooth and consistent operation. Verify that all safety features, such as obstacle detection and auto reverse, are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult your motor's manual for common error codes and troubleshooting steps. Enjoy your newly automated gate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.